Hey guys, it's another day here at the AutoCraze headquarters. We've got something special in store for you guys today. So when the boys at the Dragons team came to us and said, we want to customise our ride, we had the perfect wheel in mind. We opted for the KMC Rockstar 3, fully customisable. Check this out. So the thing I love about the KMC Rockstar 3, fully customisable. Inserts plus the star as well too. So as you know, Illawarra Dragons, they've got the theme, red, black. So that's what we went for here. Black wheel, red inserts with the red star. The boys are going to love it.
These are the days my heart goes numb. Yeah, one of these days will be the one. We're looking for answers. Oh, what a disaster. Still wonder how.
Hey guys, it's Michael Palladino here from Auto Artisan Group. Gone all out with this one. We had a blank slate. We wanted to really put something towards them that they're going to be proud of. Wanted to support their brand and obviously display a few products on the side of the vehicle so we show what they're all about. Let's have a look around the van here. We've gone with the satin black base. We've gone with some imagery straight from the catalogue. We've got our designers to recreate the wheels, the coils, the suspensions. We've got the big bright AutoCraze logo on the side there. This is being done together with the Dragons bus, TONYA the Dragons bus for the Illawarra Dragons. So we've got their logos sprawled out across the place with a few sponsors as well. Number 18 for the year of the bus. So I do hope that they're going to get, again, as much presence on the road as they can. It's going to be cool to see the Dragons players in this bus. Hope AutoCraze love it, we love it. Until the next project.
Jason, you headed over today on your bus, on this St George Dragons bus that drives you down to training every week, is that right?
Yeah. So it's the way we all get around. All us Sydney-siders that have to travel down to Wollongong, and came here tonight. Dragged it all the way here with my friend Darren, one of our teammates, and TONYA gets a fair workout.
TONYA?
Yeah.
It's the name of the bus is TONYA.
Yeah, she was a battler.
Oh, that's well, it's parked out the back. TONYA's parked out the back. That sounds wrong, but she is. And this is the car here. Isn't it wonderful? Is it a 12-seater?
12-seater, yep.
Hey guys, welcome to AutoCraze once again. Right behind me we've got the 2018 Dragon squad, and we've also got the Dragon bus. Now the boys have brought this car to us, raw with nothing on it. So what we've done, special shout out to Auto Artisan. We've basically done the wrap on there with the Dragons logos on there and everything, especially the AutoCraze logo. Special shout out to Wheel Pros for giving us the brand new KMC Rockstar 3s, XD3s wrapped in the beautiful red inserts to match their colours. Now we've got the boys down here, we've got the man over here telling us exactly the story behind this Dragon bus. Goes a long way away and he's going to tell us exactly how it feels and what the story behind this bus is today. James, tell the boys how you feel.
Yeah, so this all started when you know, I think there was 11 of us driving from Sydney down to Wollongong in 3 or 4 cars every day, and Jason Nightingale, before he'd been part of a crew that drove the bus, and it's sort of the idea grew from there. It was just an idea tossed up at training one day, what we can do, and then before you know, we had this bus together, and then the camaraderie that's been built throughout that. I think it's had a massive part in the reason why we've started the season so well. There's never a dull moment on the bus. You know, it's a lot of banter. You get to know your teammates a lot, their musical interests and different things like that. What they get up to when they're away from the field as well, which some stories we may not have been told if we hadn't been on the bus. So it's been a great journey so far. Everybody, you know, you can see the jealousy a little bit from the Wollongong lads that want to get on the bus. They're trying to get us to pick them up from the Rule and places like that. So, but there's not many spots left, so can't get them on. But yeah, and I'd just like to say a massive shout out to AutoCraze and starting this partnership. You know, before you guys came on board, it was a pretty plain white busted up TONYA, and now, as you can see, it looks fantastic. There's no missing us, that's for sure. And yeah, again, a massive shout out to Wheel Pros as well for the hectic rims that are on the wheels. So yeah, massive shout out to them, and yeah, thanks again.
Thank you very much, guys. And once again, up the bloody Dragons.
Part of our behaviours and part of our culture is little things, little mishaps are punished with dice rolls. 11 different combinations. A couple of boys getting punished today.
Go James first.
James, he's driving, so I think he hit a curb in TONYA, and you know, these beautiful new rims.
You got the rules.
They don't really need to be hit, so with Darren here, we've got a list of punishments, so he's going to roll through dice.
This is the rules.
There's no A first.
We go you, then punishment. So bad driving.
Bad driving. Ooh.
3, 4. Shave He's not happy.
He's going down.
And then also for what if he said go to? Average driving. Wow. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Oh! Nearly. You're like bus. Sorted. What does it feel on the bus? I've got you, bro. Jim's got another one. 1. Yeah! 7. Oh no, we have to check. I'll definitely be shaving my head.